Hi and welcome to a new section of this course, the Business Analysis Fundamentals and Frameworks. As per the new exam content outline of the CAPM exam, there will be one domain with 27% of the examic questions around the business analysis key concepts and fundamentals. So this section content is based on the PMI guide to business analysis. Organizations with highly mature business analysis practices believe that business analysis has a tangible impact on their organization's success and provides a competitive advantage. So a highly mature organization in terms of business analysis practices will improve the organizational success in completing the projects, programs, and portfolios, and will provide the organization with a competitive advantage. Research confirmed that a significantly larger percentage of highly mature organizations rank themselves well above average against their peer organizations with regard to, first of all, ability of the organization to execute and implement its strategy, the organizational agility, management of projects and initiatives and programs, and the overall financial performance. So highly mature business analysis practices organizations will have these extra benefits among their peers. A core competency for project and program success reports that organizations can focus more attention on the following three critical areas to improve the effectiveness of their business analysis capability. So for organizations to improve their effectiveness in terms of business analysis, they need first of all to focus on the people by putting in place the necessary human resources who can properly apply business analysis to recommend solutions to the problems or opportunities that are being addressed in the organization by portfolios, programs, and projects, and at the same time recognizing and developing the skills needed to perform this important role. The second area that organizations need to focus on is the processes, by establishing and standardizing processes at the portfolio, program, and project levels, so consistent application of good business analysis can occur across initiatives within an organization. So organizations need to have a standardized processes toolkit that are consistently applied across all the organizational projects, programs, and portfolios. And the third area is the organizational culture, by creating a sense of urgency at the top so that executive management and sponsors fully value the practice of business analysis as a critical competency of portfolios, programs, and projects, and provide the appropriate support and commitment needed in order to excel throughout the organization. So we need to have a culture that supports and empowers the business analysis practices. Business analysis can be performed when creating or enhancing a product, solving a problem, or seeking to understand stakeholder needs. The value of business analysis spans many industries and types of projects. So it's not specific for one industry. It can be applied, for example, in the finance industry. In the finance industry or financial industry, business analysis can be used to create or modify financial products that meet the customer needs. While in the healthcare industry, business analysis practices can be used to minimize wait times from entrance to first diagnosis. In the construction industry or in the construction or infrastructure projects, business analysis can be used as the basis for the scope of work. In the governmental sector, governments use business analysis practices to analyze situations and determine the solutions to improve issues such as crisis and any potential environmental issues. In the manufacturing industry, business analysis can be applied to optimize assembly line processes. And finally, in the IT or information technology industry, business analysis is performed to translate the business requirements into system requirements to provide clear guidance for the developers to do the work in order to meet the customer requirements. So these are only examples of different industries where business analysis can be applied. Effective business analysis enables individuals, groups, and public and private organizations to achieve better business outcomes. Effective business analysis will help, first of all, address the business needs of the organization. Organizations are often tempted to provide solutions before fully understanding a situation. Business analysis enables the organization to identify and fix the root causes of problems instead of repeatedly addressing symptoms as they occur. So we want to address the business needs by understanding the full situation of the organization, the current situation. This will help us fix the root causes, and this can be applied using the needs assessment processes as part of the business analysis. Also, effective business analysis practices will help us manage risk and reduce the rework. What constitutes sufficient business analysis is dependent on the risk appetite of the organization and the level of confidence required before the organization is comfortable proceeding with its initiatives. Effective business analysis will help us reduce the impact or the effects of product defects. When insufficient time is allocated to business analysis activities, gaps in requirements can arise. Missing and misunderstood requirements can lead to product defects. Product defects uncovered within the confines of the project result in rework. But if these product defects are uncovered once a product is released to the customer, the results are exponentially worse. So it's always better to discover the defects as early as possible to minimize the cost of fixing this defect, and business analysis will support us in this term. Stakeholder satisfaction will be improved as well with effective business analysis practices. Creating products to address the needs of the business and delivering those products on time and within budget while minimizing potential threats to the organization will definitely result in increased stakeholder satisfaction.